BG's having a full-blown tantrum. Oh, BG. His brother took the phone away from him. BG. Hey, no hitting. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Somebody's really mad. Jack, did you take the phone away from your brother? Is BG mad? BG's mad at you? BG's mad.